Today we're diving into thrilling and dangerous adventures that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Get ready for an epic ride. Let's jump right in. The dump truck rescue was going so well until bam, right into another headache. Unbelievable. When their teammates' truck tipped over, the Hyundai HL780-9 and the large trucks and excavators sprang into action. Thanks to their excellent team, the dump truck was righted quickly. Wow, Schlitter, 950 volts, a mechanical monster, it's pure adrenaline.
Вот это жесть. Мы ждем, когда все упадет. Это просто капец. Все, падай!
Oh my god, why is there a child in the cabin? These women's screams get on my nerves. That was like watching a building evaporate. And it's done. Not every driver is skillful enough to overcome this situation. The big cat saves the little one and out of nowhere, it bolts off like lightning. Did anyone else see that? What an unpredictable situation. While that was an intense climb, it would be extremely dangerous if the truck wasn't strong enough, but still had to push through. Fortunately, no one was harmed. I can't wrap my head around how dangerous that situation was. The URL and its cargo just going under is terrifying. The rescuers must have felt the pressure, but they handled it like pros. Hey, boss is. Where does this nut and bolt go, boss? Wow, talk about a close call. They really dodged a bullet there. No injuries, no damage. This deserves an A in the accident department. Fuck sakes. What do you think of a comet that runs in the middle of a river? This is exactly what the manufacturer wanted when building its engine. This is beyond shocking. Watching that truck burn reminds me of how quickly danger can strike. Thank goodness no one was injured. It's a real testament to the driver's quick thinking. Horses appeared as a shadow and broom. The house collapsed rapidly. Amazing! Watching the bridge demolition, you can really see the professionalism at work. Even the collapse was planned and managed safely by the experts. Incredible, right? That moment was filled with suspense. The operator's escape was nothing short of miraculous. What a risky situation. Incredible job by the Honda Ridgeline 2. Silo came down with perfect accuracy and skill. See a T740 overturned with a heavy load. Cat 345DL hero of the day, what a rescue. What a risky situation with the C411. Sometimes luck isn't on your side. But skill and experience make all the difference.
Вижу.
It's unbelievable how fragile those massive cranes can be. The sheer force of their collapse was terrifying. It really makes you appreciate the skill of the operators.
This has to be one of the wildest rescue attempts I've ever seen.
This has to be one of the wildest rescue attempts I've ever seen.
Включен режим город 2. Включен режим
Wheels come off, what a surprise. City 2 mode is on.
Coming. Keep on. There it comes. You got it. Pull it out.
खाली सुरुंग लावले जातात. कारण अशाच एका सुरुंगामुळे दरड कोसळली
How to
असावी
pull a
असा
stunt, there
अंदाज
it comes.
स्थानिक
You got it, pull it out. That disc crowd is wild. The excavator is right there. And the mountain is collapsing. It's like watching a disaster unfold in real time. Looks like this excavator is primed for a seesaw session with the car. Haha. That's good. The cable snaps out of nowhere, sending the generator plummeting. The worker's dash for safety was jaw-dropping. He was a heartbeat away
come
from
on,
being
baby.
crushed. How did he survive that? Hey, come on, baby. So a long day comes to an end.
Looks like that Kamaz needs a strong cup of coffee. It's still snoozing.
Just when you thought ice skating was for amateurs, welcome to the Heavy Machinery Olympics. Looks like that Kamaz needs a strong cup of coffee. It's still snoozing.
अबे साले चढ़ने के नीचे लगाएंगे तो कूदने का अभी उसको चढ़ने के लिए जरूरत है गांडू चढ़ने का गाड़ी में
Unbelievable the Komatsu just climbed onto the truck. With such precision, these machines are truly a testament to incredible engineering. Impressive performance. I can't believe how easily it glides through that mud. It's a testament to the design and power of the Bella Oris Mets 1025.
Absolutely insane. The way the Ural Frontier tackled that puddle was nothing short of miraculous. Talk about a truck with guts.
Absolutely insane. The way the Euro Frontier tackled that puddle was nothing short of miraculous. Talk about a truck with guts.
And now we are watching how a mother excavator bathes her restless baby excavator. So funny moment.
I can't believe how skillfully they control it. It's like an art form. When you see everything come crashing down, just as planned. And now we are watching how a mother excavator bathes her restless baby excavator. So funny moment.
Давай, давай.
Wow, I never thought I'd witness a tire blow up. On the highway, that was one wild ride. Let's see how the Uriel tackles the snow pack. Look at that slippery slope. The driver is really giving it their all to climb that hill. Check out this bad boy, the Steelness 500i. It's the world's first chainsaw with electronic fuel injection, which means more power and less fuel consumption. Pretty cool, huh? This 5.0 kilowatt machine can handle anything you throw at it. Just imagine taking down a massive cedar. With this thing, it's a piece of cake. upgrade control, don't wait. The Vermeer HG68 Tow 0TX gives you exactly that. With 950 horsepower at your command, you'll feel the surge of power as you conquer any grinding challenge. But it's the smart grind system that truly sets this machine apart. It's like having a partner who anticipates your every need, optimizing performance and efficiency for a truly satisfying experience. I love this, it's so cool. How they took a simple idea and made it work so well. This wood cutter is super efficient, and it just goes to show what you can do with a little creativity. Awesome job. You guys want to see a stump grinder throwdown? We're pitting the Red Room SHP 400 against the Rise Corp Stump Humper. The top dogs in the Aussie and Kiwi Arborious scene. Let's see which one comes out on top. The LKT-81. Turbo is a proven workhorse in the forestry industry. Its robust design and adaptable features make it a reliable choice for a variety of logging operations. From its powerful engine to its maneuverability in challenging terrain, this skidder consistently delivers exceptional performance. Now this is a machine I can get behind. The Sennheiser 830E, built to last, easy to fix and with the power to handle anything. Diesel or electric, both are solid choices, but that electric now, that's something special. Quiet, clean, and efficient. This is the kind of machine you can rely on for years to come. Wow, check out this amazing scene. The partnership between humans and animals at work always brings a sense of harmony. Nice horses, super trained, and the guy really uses his head. You don't see that very often. Arc 30 Art XL chipper vester, and let me tell you, it's a beast. With an 83-inch chipper disc and hydraulics powerful enough to crush a car, it delivers unparalleled strength. But don't worry, it's surprisingly easy to operate. This machine is built for power and efficiency, perfect for anyone who needs fast results. Just watch it in action and you won't be disappointed. Well, looks like we've got ourselves a situation here. That lumber truck is in a real pickle. Let's see how our buddy on the excavator is going to get him out of this mess. This guy leveled the ground when he finished the job. What a responsible person, I like that. I know what you're thinking. How did they do that? It's like, they have a sixth sense for how that truck is going to react. That's the kind of connection you only get with years of practice. It's almost like they're communicating with the truck. Check out this awesome video of a cat to 5 9 deep with an F. AE-150 head clearing a whole acre of land. It's super satisfying to watch all that brush disappear. You can really see how powerful this machine is. And the operator knows exactly what they're doing. This is how the pros get it done. Who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to tackle your own overgrown backyard. Imagine this, you're worried about that old oak moving over your house. Then this beast rolls in with surgical precision. The 7-in-7 one reaches up, grabs the branch's stem. Snap and down, they have problem solved. No fuss, no muss. Let's talk efficiency. The Timber Protein L74, 5D with the monster quad code, 27 SC delivers both in spades. This machine is a game changer for any logger. Operation, smooth operation, unmatched cutting power and built to last. See it in action and you'll be convinced. Well, this bandit SG-75 is a beast. Stumps are vanishing like magic. I could watch this all day. What do you guys think isn't this awesome? Look at that truck hauling it away. It's like a tiny ant carrying a breadcrumb.
Dia masukin tuh ya. Water, be.
Twice he's gotten into trouble. And twice he's luckily escaped without injury. I'm not sure if this is this man's lucky or unlucky day anymore. Now this is where things get interesting. Our driver's facing a real test of skill here. The road's treacherous, but he's handling it with the calm. Confidence of a seasoned pro. This is what it takes to get the job done. This lumberjack's employing a technique known as a stair-stepping. To fell that leaning tree, it involves a series of precisely placed cuts, creating a stepped effect. Notice how he avoids cutting to D, which could lead to a premature break. This method requires a keen understanding of tree mechanics and extensive experience. It's not something a novice should attempt. Imagine the sheer force needed to haul those massive logs. Up that hill, you can almost hear the engine groaning. Feel the tires straining for grip. It's a David and Goliath struggle. And we're all rooting for the underdog. Transporting these massive logs is no easy feat. The terrain is unforgiving, and the roads are narrow and winding. It requires a skilled driver with a steady hand and a keen understanding of the vehicle's capabilities. But with experience comes confidence, and these drivers navigate these challenges with remarkable skill. Almost feel the satisfaction in each swing. Can't you? He's not just cutting wood. He's connecting with nature, finding a rhythm in the work. It's almost meditative. The way he loses himself in the task. This is what being a true expert is all about.